Today we are going to start one more new topic, ChatGPT, and this is especially for the people who this first basic session. This video is basically who don't know ChatGPT, what is the use, what are the benefits that we are going to cover in this first video. Later on we'll expand it to different verticals, how it will help to a developer to implement in their applications, how they can use it on their application. We are going to discuss ChatGPT in Azure OpenAI, how it is going to implement in Azure OpenAI, and we are going to discuss how apart from Azure OpenAI ChatGPT, what else large language model is there we can use. So please watch the series of upcoming videos to what you will get a very good idea on what ChatGPT, how ChatGPT will. These all are based on my real-time experience, what I am currently doing. I have implemented earlier a lot of chatbots. On top of that chatbots, we are going to migrate, or we are going to give a flavor of ChatGPT all those applications. It's starting from a chatbot application, your search application, your any of the AI development applications we are going to give. So we'll discuss also different architecture, how you can integrate, and what are the benefits or what is the demerits of ChatGPT. All those things we are going to discuss later in the segment, but this is the first video where we'll keep in simple and see how normal ChatGPT works and how we can use in the day-to-day life. So if you'll see ChatGPT, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, everywhere everybody know that ChatGPT started people using it. So ChatGPT is a large language model where it was a long back it was developed by OpenAI, a company called OpenAI. It was a different version was there, but the current what is the latest in the version is 4.4 version, but it is not available for the users in who want to see the demo and all. But premium version, if you take, it is available, but we will see how to use 3.5 it is available. We can use that. So ChatGPT is a kind of chatbot. Earlier, if you have used any chatbot, but it was earlier chatbot was giving more search based result or NLP based result, but this is a huge amount of data is there in the ChatGPT, and it is trained on the deep learning model, so it is giving in a more accurate and more precise, more summarized answer. So let's go to the PPT, and it will as the mentioned it will behave like a human based text answering. If you will ask it, you will feel that somebody is they giving you answer. It will start ask. If it will not understand, it will start asking the questions, and it is a very good powerful tool. And in the chatbot, earlier normal chatbot, it is giving a empower AI based chatbot we can create, and it can create the content, it can summarize, it can create repeat, a lot of things it can do. So normally it will be giving a very fast response, and it can have you can converse with a variety different topic, which can even you can write small emails, you can email help, or you can content you can create, or it has different prompt. So prompt is actually a very big topic. Prompt engineering, I'm going to show you in the next upcoming video how you can design the prompt. I'll show you 100 different prompts, so that you are going to get an idea what how prompt engineering work, and how you can use those things in your day-to-day life, and in your project also. You can, if you are working professional, you can work use in your project. So as I said, it is like ChatGPT, it is a trained up series of model, and earlier the version, the more they are training, and it is having more data, massive amount data. The amount of data what they have taken is from Wikipedia, open source data like available in internet, a browser, and they have 175 billions of parameter it was trained. And the ChatGPT 4 it's like trillions of data. If you'll see data points they have, And ChatGPT, actually it will be fine-tuned using reinforcement learning algorithm, which you can have a feedback, or what it is not able to learn, we can able to give the feedback and it will work. And which will be RLHF, is like it will collect and ranking the model and give the response in a human behavior. And ChatGPT, like it is a conversational way, which means it will follow up the question, it will admit mistake, it will change the incorrect promises, reject inappropriate questions, it has inbuilt PII information, GDPR also compliant, it will not give the demographic or other information. So this is how ChatGPT works. We are going to see what are the benefits of ChatGPT. So benefits, I think more or less everybody started using the ChatGPT and getting the benefits. How it is very creative and it is inspiring, and day-to-day basis it is learning and is giving new answer. So a lot of benefits are like there. You can get the instant answer, find a creative content, you write your YouTube scripts, you write your PPT, presentation, paragraph, school school homework, all those things can be done using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT also you can mention in a conversational way how much you need, like what are the desired length, format, style, level of that. I give me in a 10 points. Like example, tell me the life story of Narendra Modi in 10 points. Or you have very precisely, you can say, tell me about India in 5 points. So it can give in that way. Or you can tell like a work like a agent and give me answer like a agent. Or you can say work like a Linux terminal, you give answer like a Linux prompt. So it can be more customizable answer it will give. And of course it is free available in different. We are going to see that live you can log in and we'll see it is available in different Android and iOS also. It is available as a ChatGPT application. You can download it and you can use it, and similarly you can directly use in the browser. I'll open the ChatGPT prompt and I'll see you how you can use some of the prompt. Will use that. And limitation, if you'll see limitation, ChatGPT 3.5 was having more, like 3 was having little bit it was creating chaos, and it was creating the hallucination in conversation. It was giving more inappropriate answer. But if you're going to chat 4 onwards, it started giving more accurate, precise answer. It will understand the context and it will give that. And it is also sometimes you can feel that it will misleading to you. So and another limitations so far what we is having, it will give the old data. So don't write or type or ask anything which is latest is the ChatGPT 4, which is not available to use to maybe in the like in demo instance. ChatGPT 3, it is not latest, it is 1 year before data they have trained. But ChatGPT 4 recent data they have trained, I think 3-4 months before data you can get it. In 2023 data you will get it, but in ChatGPT 3.5 you will get in 2022 data. So here a lot of question will having people like, what is the difference between Turbo 3, ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4, how it is different? So day by day ChatGPT is growing. It was having different versions. ChatGPT started with 2, 3, 3.5, in Azure it is 3.5 Turbo, and in 3.5 it was having different models like DaVinci, this, that, and also optimized. They have optimized all those things, and they have come up with only one model. There is no model in the ChatGPT, only one model, that is ChatGPT 4 model. ChatGPT 4 there is no, like in ChatGPT 3.5 you will find different models and as a developer and development angle I'm talking about this, you will find different models to use, summarization or more conversational, or if you want to have more precise answer, you have to use different model based on their accuracy. But in ChatGPT 4 it is not like that. You can only one model which is having everything. And one more thing is ChatGPT. As I told you, it was ChatGPT is having till 2020 data, and ChatGPT 4 will have 2023 data. So, and ChatGPT 4 having lot of data. It is trained, trillions of data it is trained. But if you will see, ChatGPT 3 will have little bit accuracy, which is less accuracy compared to ChatGPT 4. Sometimes ChatGPT 4 also creating problem, but it is compared to ChatGPT 3, it is very high accuracy and precision. It is giving more accuracy result. And it is more contextual. It is answering the question based on contextual. It will understand, it will check what are the more historical information you have asked, all it will do. And chat 3.5, you auto translation 3.5 it was not there, in 4 it is there. You ask any language question, automatically it will understand that language and it will give. And ChatGPT 4 understand lot of Indian language very properly, which was a drawback in Chat 3.5 or 3. ChatGPT 4 started giving more appropriate translation in terms of you ask any Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Odia, or Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, all the language it can able to give the answers. And if you will see, these are the points where these are the more or less, it is both are same, but ChatGPT is giving more accurate result, more relevant. So that's how the ChatGPT 3 and 4 it is different. The usage wise, if you will see, its API and other thing, there is no much difference. The way it work 3.5 it will work, but the result wise and the feature wise it is, and the data points, latest data, so these are the things it is more good in ChatGPT 4. So let's see how we'll use the ChatGPT, how we'll use it. If you want to use as a prompt or in a terminal, you can log into chat.openai.com or simple search chat yeah, or simple search in Google that ChatGPT. If you want to download, you can download from iOS and you can start using from iOS or Android. And ChatGPT, once you will subscribe, it will also give you set of APIs and API documentation also available. As a developer, you can include that in your search or in your as a chat bot you can development in you can use. And apart from this, you can give the feedbacks which ChatGPT also learning feedback API is also there, you can learn it. So that's how you can use ChatGPT. Let's see how you can use the ChatGPT. Now you can search ChatGPT in the internet and it will go to ChatGPT, and let's say ChatGPT, you can create an account, log in with your email ID and password. Since it is having open my account, it is directly logging into my account. You will see this is what I are talking about 3.5. it's free to use, but if you want to ChatGPT 4, you have to have a premium access, which is $20 per month, which you can upgrade to that, which is $20 month plus access you will get. Will have ChatGPT 4 access and you will get the latest data, but a free account don't have that. It is having 3.5 models with regular updates. So let's see how we can, it is giving some suggestion here, explain aeroplanes turbulence, give me some ideas, and you can ask any question. You can ask tell tell me about India in 5 points. So it will give you the exactly 5 point in a crisp in a summary kind way it will give. And you can say same way it will have you regenerate it. You can ask related questions, you can give your feedback, and the same way you will see I can edit the question here again, repost it. I will tell me about culture India culture, or yeah, culture. I'll say tell me about Indian culture in 5 points. I'll say save and submit, so that it will again it will submit that one, it will give the answer. So eventually it is giving different type of cultural diversity, religion, spirituality, and yeah, that's how it is giving what is the question, and traditional arts, craft, all those things. So like that it is having like tell me about more Indian festival. I can ask, okay, let's see what is more about festivals. It's a Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Navaratri, Ganesh Puja, and Kongal, Sankranti, Onam, Rakshabandhan, all these things will give. So like this the ChatGPT is working. So we are going to see in the next video how we'll give one of the use case, how you can use the integrate the APIs, how you can include in your project. We'll discuss about the architectural, like ChatGPT itself you cannot make any project. You have to always depend upon some other programming language or other application to integrate this ChatGPT with your language. So there are a lot of company are doing using in a different way. We are going to discuss we are going to discuss the architecture different series we are going to cover in our upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video.